All right. What's the best way to help?
Just hold it right there, and I got it. All right.
Sorry,
Okay. All right.
Hold your cushion so you can sit on it.
Okay. Okay. And then would you hand me the small bag right there? Okay.
Smile.
Oh, yeah, it's in here. Sorry. Just had it right here. No, I just literally just had it. Let's see. I'm all strapped down now, so shit.
There we go. We have 7D.
Great. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
All right, cool.
I have your side, guys.
And then that's me right there.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks, Tiff. Hello. Okay. It's not so bad.
Not.
7D right here.
All right.
I would have got them on the ones that don't go up.
You got a big space right there.
D is right here or window?
D does. D is window, but they don't go up.
You can do it. Come on.
I can, actually. I mean,
we can assist you, sir. It's not a problem.
yeah, just let's see. Just get me, help get me over here. Just push me over a little bit. Let's see. How does this thing move? So they need to sit here, then sit here?
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir.
Would you like to
Like a
come
seasoned
here?
veteran, baby. Huh?
Up here.
I'll take it actually with me here. Yeah. And then, yeah, all good, guys. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Good deal. Like it's not at all. Peace.